Hello again. This part is very important because we're gonna be talking about the money, which is the thing that you're gonna be using every day while you are in Egypt. Okay. First, we have in Egypt here our currency is the pound. Pound. We call it in Egypt Gneeh. 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 So we're gonna use the number and next to it the word Guinea. Okay. Gneeh. Make sure to pronounce it right. Gneeh. Say it. We're gonna pronounce it fast. Gneeh. 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 I never close my lips, okay? Gneeh. Fine? Gneeh. So, first thing, it is the quarter pound, which is actually useless here in Egypt, to say the truth, okay? Roba Gneeh. Roba Gneeh. Roba, it's quarter. Gneeh, it's pound. Roba Gneeh. Roba Gneeh. Then we have Nos Gneeh, which is half a pound. Nos Gneeh. Nos Gneeh. Okay. Then we have the 1 pound. We just say it what? Gneeh. Gneeh. That means 1 pound. Gneeh. Okay. Quarter a pound, half a pound, and pound, it has coins and papers. So you can find coins of these currencies and papers of these currencies as well. And starting from 5 pound, it's always paper. Okay. So 5 pounds we call it Khamsa Gneeh. Khamsa Gneeh. Khamsa Gneeh. Fine? Khamsa Gneeh. Can I hear it from you? Well done. Okay. Then we have 10 pounds. 10 جنيه. 10 جنيه. 10 جنيه. Can I hear it? Well done. Then we have the 20 pounds. We call it 20 جنيه. Again. 20 جنيه. Say it. One more. 20 جنيه. Well done. Then we have the 50 pounds. We call it 50 جنيه. 50 جنيه. Again. 50 جنيه. Okay? Then we have the 100 pound. We call it 100 جنيه. 100 جنيه. You know, it's a very short word. 100 جنيه. It's like meat, what we eat. Okay? 100 جنيه. 100 جنيه. Then the highest thing ever here in Egypt is 200 pounds. We call it 200 جنيه. 200 جنيه. 200 جنيه. 200 جنيه. Okay? 200 جنيه. Now let me tell you just very simple prices of anything in your Egypt. Let's take for example the Pepsi can or Coca-Cola can, whatever. Okay? It's around like 5 pounds, 6 pounds. This is what's around. Okay, it depends on the place where you are buying from, but actually, you know, in the local market it's between 5 pounds and 6 pounds, the Pepsi can. For example, the 1 liter bottle of water, it's around like 5 pounds. Okay, the 1 liter, the big one, 5 pounds. The small one is around like 3 pounds, 3 pounds and a half. It depends on the location that you are buying from. So these are the average prices here in Egypt. Okay. And we are done with this part, and let's go to the next part. See you!